For this video, let's show you how to find new construction homes on Homes.com. Once you're on the home page, look for Explore and click on it. A menu of options will appear. Then choose Full Inventory. On the upper panel of your screen, you'll see the All Properties button. Click it. A menu of options will appear. Then choose New Homes. Next, click the All Filters button. From here, the New Homes filter settings will appear on your screen. Once you're done reviewing them, click the X button to close the panel. In the search bar, type a location you'd like to find new homes in that area. A map and housing details will preview on your screen. Scroll down the listings to view all available new construction homes. Take your time searching for your new home. And that's how to find new construction homes on Homes.com. Thank you for watching.